Hi guys, I have been wanting to do a keto ranch dressing for forever. I'm trying to get rid of the canola oil in my diet. So I found this recipe. I'm gonna type it out in the info box below, but this may be a fail video, I don't know, but we're gonna try it together. So we are going to run through, here I have it all lined out, the ingredients that you need first. So if you want to make this along with me, then you can get your stuff together. I'm in Walmart. I needed to grab a few things. The red wine vinegar here. Just thought I would show this. It's not something I stock. And then these are the different types of immersion blenders you can pick from, like locally if you have a Walmart. There's a big price difference. You go from like $16 to $50. I bought the most inexpensive one. Okay, so one of the main things you need back here in the back is this immersion blender. I filmed in Walmart different options. This is the lowest priced one that I could find, and this one was $16. So I did get that at Walmart. They have them on Amazon, but it seems like it's crucial to making this recipe. Next thing you'll want is a wide mouth jar with a lid. This is what you're going to make your dressing in and store it in the fridge. And you need the wide mouth at the top so that the immersion blender will fit down in there to mix it all up. For the oil for this, I'm using olive oil. You're also going to need red wine vinegar. I'll show you the back. You're going to need some coconut milk. And this is just the Kroger brand, their Simple Truth Organic line. But what you want to look for is the high fat. Let's see, I think we've got too much of a glare here. There, you can see that better. Okay, so 12 grams of fat, lower carbs. So this is coconut milk. The recipe calls for lemon juice, so I have a lemon, and then I have this, it's a lemon, I call it a lemon squeezer, I don't know what it is. But you don't have to use a fresh lemon. You could definitely use just like a bottle of lemon juice. And then the seasoning it calls for black pepper, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and parsley flakes. And it also calls for 1 egg, possibly 2. At the end, if it doesn't thicken up, they say the way to save it is to add an egg, and then it thickens it right up. Okay, we're gonna jump in and we're gonna try this. I have chicken wings cooking in the oven, and I love to put ranch on them, but I always feel so guilty because it has canola oil in it. Okay, let's get started. I am having a keto drink while I'm making this. Look at this cute Starbucks Easter cup I got. These are like the reusable kind that are usually like $1. And I have some Perfect Keto MCT oil powder in there and a little bit of the Tirani sugar-free s'mores syrup. This is my go-to. It's so good. Okay, guys, here is the dump ranch recipe that I'm following. So if you want to go ahead and take a screenshot of this, you can. Otherwise, I'm going to put a link down in the description box that you can click on to go to the place that I got this recipe from. This obviously isn't my original recipe. Okay, we're going to run through really quickly what I have here. So this is a 1/2 cup of full fat coconut milk. We have a full cup of olive oil. Then in this cup right here, I have, let's see, you can see the seasonings back there. I have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 3/4 a teaspoon of onion powder, and 3/4 a teaspoon of garlic powder. In a container by itself, I have 3 tablespoons of parsley. In this cup here, I have 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. And in this container, I have 1 egg. I beat it up a little bit. I have a backup egg in case it doesn't thicken. And then over here, I squeeze out the juice. And this is 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, but you don't have to use fresh. You can use whatever you have. Okay, so we dump all of our ingredients into this jar, except for the parsley flakes. The recipe says to put these in at the end, otherwise it will turn your salad dressing green, which, I mean, I don't have a problem with that, but just for the sake of the recipe, we're going to set these aside and hopefully I won't forget. So we're going to dump everything into this jar. Dump it right in. Here we go with the oil. In go our spices and our vinegar and our egg and our lemon juice. Okay, now the directions say to start at the bottom with your immersion blender and blend for a minute. Okay, that's been a minute. It seems pretty thick to me. Now we are going to add our parsley. Get that mixed in. And I think we're good to go. We'll do the pour test. Okay guys, here's the pour test. It is definitely thick. And I just tasted it and it's amazing. So there you have it. Keto ranch dressing. And here's my wings, all flats. If anyone knows me very well, that's all I eat are the flats. All right, guys, thanks for watching.